Well guys, the computer came, and I'm going to open it up real quick. Nice and easy. Go through this. My computer is now working again for some weird reason, and I'm going to do a video on that to fix the blue screen of death. Wow, that package is really good. Wow. Styrofoam. Okay. Last time the box was much bigger. I don't know if I opened the wrong side or that's big. That's some serious packaging right there, you know. Let's throw that over there, I guess. Alright, so the screens are kind of small, and here we have all the cords and the mouse. We got the plugs. Okay, more cordage. I'll probably end up selling these screens if they work, because these are 19-inch. Mine are bigger than what these are. What was that? Something just fell. I have no idea. Thought it was a spider or something, but I don't know what it was, guys. Some nice bubble wrap. Another monitor. These are nice monitors, you know. They are nice monitors. Just hope the stands are with them. Got a keyboard. Nice keyboard. Hey, that's an upgrade to mine. That's not too bad. It's got a couple USB ports in the back there. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm not sure. We have a pack here with what? Mini display port adapter. Not sure what this would be for. That's no, that's HDMI to a monitor plug-in. I don't know why we have this. So that's obviously something I didn't have before. Oh, come on. Let's see. Oops. Okay. That over there. See if we get this computer, guys. See if we get all this. For some reason it's hung up. Oh, there we go. Wow, it's really hung up. Sheesh. So this looks like the computer. I don't know what this is here. It looks a little bit damaged. This is a lot smaller than my computer, by the way. Alright, so we got some nice mounts here. These, that swivel. These are really nice mounts. Do they go up and down, or nope? Just tilt and okay. Really nice computer mounts. Really not. I wish these were a little bit bigger screens, but alright. Hey, this ain't bad. That's good for the chair. It's a nice cushion for the chair right there. We'll keep that one. And here's the computer, guys. Take a little look at this. This is a smaller computer, by the way. Got a lot more USB ports here. 4, 5, 6. I'm not sure if this is the Dell Optiplex. Alright, this is totally different Dell than I think what I ordered. Okay, so Optiplex 960. So, you know, I don't know, guys, but yeah. I don't know if this has the dual processor. We're going to have to open this sucker up and see. Give me a second here to open this up, guys. Okay, guys, I don't even see the board for the processor anywhere in this computer. There's no way I'd be able to hook up these monitors unless I plugged one into the HDMI. You need a card that goes right here, and that should be the run the monitors. It's got a lot of memory chips in there. I wonder why that's missing. I'm gonna have to complain about that. So I don't have the board to run dual monitors. We have dual monitors. We got this stupid thing. So I'm definitely gonna have to make contact with the seller and tell him I don't have that any way to run dual monitors on this board. That's a problem. Yeah, there's one monitor plug right there, that blue one. Oh, we got the two HDMI ports. Yeah, it's not looking good, guys. I'm not really happy with this, to be honest. This is the 960. I wanted the Optiplex 860 or the 760. One of those two. Not this. So I'd either have to order the board or complain to the guys. I can't run dual monitors without a dual monitor controller board. So that's a little bit unsatisfied there, guys. I'll be honest with you. This was $171. It should have that board there. I know the board ranges from. There's a plug adapter as well that comes with it, and you plug the two monitors into the one adapter that normally would go into something like this, but it would be here, and I don't see it here, so I can only use one monitor on this board. I don't know what this is all about. Mini display port adapter, maybe it would plug into this, and this would plug into the HDMI. I don't know if that's how it works, guys. I don't know. I have to plug into one of these. SATA. One says SATA. I don't know what the other one says. This looks like HDMI right here. This is a SATA drive plug. Yeah, so definitely not. Ooh, easy. Holy crap. Maybe we better leave this cushion in here for a little bit. I'm going to have to obviously modify this, guys. Sorry to say. It's a good thing my other computer started working again, because we'd be screwed. I'm going to contact the guy. We'll see what happens. I'm going to put this back in the box. So this little mini display port, maybe it just plugs in that one spot, and I can plug another monitor in with it. So we'll try. I mean, maybe that's just the way it is. Okay, here's the mouse. Okay, nothing special. Nothing special with that mouse, that's for sure. Okay, we have one display, one monitor plug. Where's the other one? There should be two into one. That's how it usually works. Another cord, obviously for monitors and whatnot. I'm not sure. Oh, what is this? What is this, guys? Wi-Fi? this the Wi-Fi thing? Huh. That's odd. I don't know what it is, to be honest with you. Huh. There's nothing Wi-Fi here, really. Oh, here's the second one, guys. Here's the second one, right? Or am I just... Okay, so we got two. Instead of having two in one, there's two separate ones. And then we have the... this one, which plugs into the HDMI. Hopefully there's software that has for dual screens. I don't know. We'll see. We will close this up. Not the one I expected to get. But the one I did want on eBay was $250, and I figured it was the same computer. But it doesn't look like the same computer that I have, so I don't know. But hey, if it works, it works. And set it up somewhere. Maybe I will get the dual monitor card to plug in there, and just do a little upgrade to it. The card is only like 12 something, and you can get the two monitors into one. I think that's like a couple dollars, so it's not too bad. I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. I'm glad my computer is now working again. I'm gonna do a whole video on that, on the blue screen of death and how I resolved it, coming up soon. Thanks for watching.